It's easy to see how nature receives and gives. The trees receive the rain and give protection. The clouds receive the wind and give water. The rocks receive the sun and slowly become dust. Walking in the wild, we also receive so much from a silent teacher. Teachings on causation, on impermanence, on dependent arising. It's simply easier to learn this from the earth than from concrete and glass. Millions of pilgrims have walked to find this in the past. To walk a pilgrimage is to gather these silent lessons from the dirt, from the hardships, and to carry them toward or around an inspiring symbol. As a Buddhist teacher, I usually share these teachings in the stillness of a meditation hall, but I know that deep transformation also happens in motion. Yet I realize that if you want to walk a long-distance Buddhist pilgrimage in the wilderness, there isn't a route like that outside the traditional Buddhist lands. So soon I'll be walking to connect two important Buddhist symbols in Australia. From the first established Buddhist monastery near Sydney to the Great Stupa of Universal Compassion, the biggest stupa outside Asia, next to Melbourne. It's a 1,300-kilometer walk through the scenic landscapes of the Blue Mountain to the southern tablelands. It crosses Canberra, the small capital city, uses parts of the Australian Alps walking track, and then follows old rail trails dating back from the gold rush. This is not a comfortable walk with daily hostel. This is closer to the wandering tradition of ancient Tibet or the deep wilderness trails of the US. The intention is simple. I will walk, I will receive, and like the trees and the clouds, I hope to give. I will document the way and write a meditation guidebook, creating a foundation for anyone who wishes to walk this path in the future.